Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a problem on laws of motion. So the two monkeys of masses 10 kg and 8 kg are moving along the vertical rope, the former one climbing up with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So this is the first monkey having mass of 10 kg and is climbing upwards with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. While the second monkey is coming down with uniform velocity of 2 meter per second and its mass is given to be equal to 8 kg. So the mass of first monkey is 10 kg while that of second monkey is 8 kg, and the second monkey is moving in downward direction with a speed of 2 meter per second. So we can say that the acceleration of second monkey is 0. Now we have to find the tension in the rope at the fixed support, that is we have to find the value of tension at the topmost point of the rope. So now there are two possible solutions for this particular problem. An indirect approach will be to draw the free body diagram of both the monkeys, and with the help of independent free body diagram of both the monkeys, we can finally find the value of tension in the topmost point of the string. But we can also use a very direct and straightforward conceptual approach in order to solve this particular problem. So we can directly say that the total value of tension in the topmost point of the rope should be such that it has to first balance the weight of both the monkeys. That is, we can say that in order to balance the weight of both the monkeys, the value of tension has to be at least equal to 10g plus 8g. Now again, this tension has to provide an acceleration. This tension is also required to provide a vertical acceleration of 2 meter per second square to the first monkey. So we can say that the additional value of tension that is required will be equal to 10a. So apart from balancing the weight of both the monkeys, an additional force is required to provide acceleration a to the first monkey, that is the monkey having mass of 10 kg. So the net value of tension will be equal to 10 g plus a plus 8g. Now on substituting the value of a, which is given to be equal to 2 meter per second square, the net value of tension comes out to be equal to 200 Newton. So this is the direct and pretty straightforward approach that I have used in order to solve this particular problem. But again, I recommend you to solve this problem with the help of independent free body diagram of both the monkeys, and compare your final result with the result that I have just obtained with the help of direct approach. Thank you.